Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. So today you can see we have DJI Mic Mini on our hands and we're going to unbox this and see what's in the box. Now normally there are multiple variants to this. I got the one where you only have one transmitter and one receiver. Normally you will also get two transmitter and one receiver if you do it for multiple uses, right? So let's just go ahead, and also you can read at the packaging right over here. What are the things we will get? We will get a receiver, transmitter, which will be in infinity black color. There will be the transmitter charging dock. There will be a compact carrying pouch as well. So remember that this is the pouch version. The other one you will actually get with the box. And then there's also the clip magnet if you want to attach it to your t-shirts. And there's mobile phone adapter. There will be two windscreens, and there's camera audio cable and splitter charging cable and some of the document and manuals. So let's just go ahead and then begin unboxing this particular mic. So I'm just removing the packaging right now. So you can see we've removed the packaging. Now let's go ahead and then open this particular box right here. So you have to open from the top side, and then we'll go ahead and then we'll open it up, as you can see, like this. And here you can see we've got this right here. Now a couple of things is that we do have some of the manual that they do provide us over here. So first let's just go ahead and then see these particular manuals right here. Now these are some of it, and here you can see the quick start guide and how you can begin using the DJI Mic Mini. So keeping the manual aside right over here, you can see we'll just get to this main pouch over here where we have all the accessories like the cable and so on. You can see this is how it actually looks like. Now remember that normally most people actually just get the box version where they have two transmitters. Here in this case, I only have one transmitter, so I'm getting this. We just open the chain up, and here we have all the equipments like this. So the very first thing that drop is the mobile adapter, which you have to connect to your mobile phone, by the way. So this little Type-C adapter is the one you connect to your mobile phone or even laptop or however it fits you. These are the windshields that we have. So let me just go ahead and then open this up as well. You can see there are two windshields if you want to use them as well. And after that, let's go ahead and see what's over here. These are some of the audio jack cables, which will be 3.5 cables. So there is also the charger, and there is the dual adapter as well if you want to see, which you can use to basically use the phone while recording while also charging them. And here you can see this is the cable which will go into the camera and the other onto the receiver if you're doing it from camera. But if your camera supports Bluetooth like your phone and your laptop and so on, then in that case there's really no need for the receiver as well. So let me just go ahead and put this aside again, and let me just open the remaining stuff. So right here is our cute little transmitter, as you can see. So as I said, normally you get the other variant where you have two transmitters, but just here I have actually one transmitter version. So this is how it looks like. We can attach this. Here you can see the power cable, here you can see the adapter, and then there you can see how much input you want for the volume as well. And then let's open the other thing. So as you can see, this is actually our receiver. So this is a thing that will go on to camera. So if you're connecting to camera with this cable, right, you first connect this end here, the other end to the camera, and then you turn both of these on. This is the transmitter which will go on to your clip-on, like your t-shirt or wherever you put it. And there'll also be a magnet to attach those two. So let's look at the other box right here. Now I think this might actually be a charger for the transmitter right here. So this is basically a charger. So for the transmitter right here, you can see it just attaches itself. The other end you have to plug into a power jack, by the way, and then this thing is going to charge. And about this thing, you can charge it right using this, or you can also connect it using other options. And as you can see right here, this is how you can go ahead, and then basically this is what is in the box for us. So we have the transmitter, one transmitter along with the charger. We have the receiver, we have the audio cable, which is 3.5 jack. We have the multi-splitter adapter if you want. So maybe you want to charge these two things at once. The other end you have to plug into a USB source. And these are some of the windshields. These are the pouch, and those are the manuals. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.